Welcome to this tutorial on understanding Medicare Part D and how to calculate the late enrollment penalty. Medicare Part D is a valuable program that assists Medicare beneficiaries in covering the costs of their prescription medications, and it is offered by private insurance companies approved by Medicare. First, let's delve into the concept of the Part D late enrollment penalty, LEP. This penalty is an additional amount that Medicare charges individuals who did not sign up for a Part D prescription drug plan when they were first eligible. It is important to note that the late enrollment penalty is a lifelong consequence, causing their monthly premiums to increase for as long as they have Part D coverage. Now let's explore the various reasons why individuals may face the late enrollment penalty. Some may have not enrolled in Part D due to already receiving prescription drug coverage through another source, such as an employer or union. Others might have mistakenly believed they did not need prescription drug coverage at the time of eligibility. Additionally, barriers such as lack of understanding about Medicare options or limited access to information about Part D plans can also contribute to individuals missing the initial enrollment period and incurring the penalty. To figure out the Part D late enrollment penalty, you will need to do the following steps. First, get the cost called the National Base Beneficiary Premium for Medicare Part D. This changes each year, so you'll want to make sure you are getting current annual numbers. Then, count how many months you could have signed up for Part D but didn't. Now, multiply 1% of the National Base Beneficiary Premium by the number of months you didn't have Part D, and round the answer to the nearest 10 cents. Add this number to your monthly Part D premium. For example, if you waited 14 months after you could have signed up for Medicare to join a Medicare drug plan, you will have to pay a 14% late enrollment penalty. You can use the Late Enrollment Penalty, LEP, calculator from Lehigh Partners Senior Benefits to help you estimate your Part D late enrollment penalty. I'll include the link in the description. By following these steps and utilizing the calculator, you can gain a clearer understanding of the Part D late enrollment penalty and make informed decisions regarding your prescription drug coverage under Medicare. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial, and we hope it has been helpful in navigating the complexities of Medicare Part D. As always, feel free to give us a call for assistance with your questions and your Medicare coverage options.